The Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL are official, virtually identical when it comes to the specs. The difference lies in the size. The regular Pixel 3 has a 5.5-inch screen, whereas the Pixel 3 XL has a 6.3-inch screen, complete with a notch. Glass back, glass front, metal frame. The glass back is a dual tone, available in 3 colors, clearly white, just black, and not pink. The screen technology is flexible OLED, with a regular Pixel 3 clocking in at 443 pixels per inch versus 523 pixels per inch on the XL, and there's Gorilla Glass protection on the front. Both of these phones also support HDR, and on first impression, both look incredibly good by comparison to the Pixel 2 XL of last year, which raised some eyebrows, and not in the good way. Both these phones also run Android, the latest version, Android Pie, and they pack Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processors inside. 4 GB of RAM and either 64 or 128 GB of storage. These are not expandable devices in true Pixel style. They are relatively slender, under 8mm at 7.9. And they also feature stereo speakers that are 40% louder than their predecessors, according to Google. With the Pixel 3s, you're also going to get 6 months free YouTube Music. And of course, you've got those cameras. The Pixel 3 camera is very similar on paper to the Pixel 2. The rear camera is a single 12.2 megapixel dual pixel camera with 1.4 micron pixel sizes. It's got optical image stabilization as well as electronic image stabilization, and it's got an f1.8 aperture as well. What differentiates it from the Pixel 2 is the fact you've got an improved HDR Plus performance thanks to on-device AI. The real hardware differences come in terms of the front camera though. You have a second front camera that sees 184% more than an iPhone XS's regular angle of view camera. So that means you're going to be able to get yourself and all your friends in frame. There are also some smart software enhancements on top of Android 9, such as Calls Free. It can screen your calls for telemarketers and can transcribe what they say and make that appear on screen, so you never have to talk to a telemarketer again. Titan on-device security chips also here, and there's also wireless charging on board the Pixel series finally. So you can charge it either using the USB port on board or a wireless charger. Speaking of USBs, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack, but there is a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter in the box. Both phones also have respectable sized batteries, 2,915 for the Pixel 3 and over 3,400 for the Pixel 3 XL. Can't comment on real world use, so check back for the full review. In the meantime, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and for more on the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, techradar.com is your destination. Thanks for watching.